Hi Manisha, how are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. So Manisha, first of all, I want to know about yourself. Tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Avadana Manisha, and I'm a science graduate. I recently completed my post-graduation in MSc Botany from Osmania University. My specialization is plant physiology and molecular biology. Well, my interests would include something like traveling and playing basketball and listening to songs.
Okay. Okay. So Manisha, what do you understand by the BDA role in Byju's?
Sir, I understood that BDA is nothing but a business development associate and it is completely related to sales. And it involves something like cold calling. It also involves something like pre-sales and all. Sometimes I need to even go for the on-field sales too. That is what I have understood. And think, and another thing is like how well I can communicate with the people and convince about the products. That is the main purpose of this role, I can say.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So Manisha, if I'm offering you a job in product specialist in Byju's and not in sales domain, so would you like
Hmm.
to go for a switch? Because currently we have a vacancy in product specialist domain also, and I
Okay.
think you're a best fit for that. So can you go for that particular field?
Yes, sir, absolutely. I'm okay to go for that role. I mean, yeah.
So why you're applying for a sales domain? Like we have different like categories, right? So if you
Mm,
want to go for a sales like a product specialist domain, then sales
mm,
is not your field. Because see, if you're not confident enough for selling products, right? If you don't have the confidence that I can sell a product, yeah, you don't have a consistency for a
mm,
particular role, then definitely
mm,
that will be difficult for you to make a
mm,
sale and complete targets, right?
mm, mm,
So if you have a good like if you have made your mindset that you want to go for a product specialist domain, then I
mm.
think you should wait for some time. And sales is not the field where you should explore yourself.
Uh, Sir, I think product specialist role is also related to sales, right? I mean, it is post sales and
Okay.
it involves like how dynamic I can make product among the users. So I don't think so. Product specialist and sales are much different. They both involve a lot of communication, if I'm
No,
right.
see, I'll tell you what happens in sales domain. You have to directly interact with customers. You have to sell
Mm,
them by convincing them for a product. Like, and in product specialist, what you have to do is you have to work on the products because we have
mm,
K3, K10, K12 in Byju's, right? So
mm,
you
mm,
have to work on the products, how to improve the products, what different can be added so that it can look more good. It can be more
mm,
convincing to people when we are selling them.
mm,
Okay. So
mm,
in this particular domain, you don't have customer interaction.
mm,
Okay,
mm,
you just have to work on the product as a
mm,
backend, right?
mm,
And in the sales domain, you just have to face the customers. That is why
mm,
I'm asking you the question because these two are different roles. One is a
mm,
backend role, and one is
mm,
a front end role where you
mm,
have to directly communicate with the customer. You have to convince them, sell them, interact with them, right?
mm.
So now you choose where do you want to go for a sales domain or for a product specialist domain and why?
Okay. Uh, well, at this point of time, I can say anything is okay for me, sir, because I because it is all about uh, products, right? So whether I think as far as whatever you have said me, I understood that product specialist is all about user experience, like what is
Yes.
their experience and what are the issues they are facing. And when talking about sales, it is all about communicating with the people, convincing the people, selling them the
Right.
products, right? So
Right. Right.
anything that involves in the I mean, whatever that is associated with the products is okay for me as long as I get the job satisfaction. Especially that is very important. So, whatever the role is given to me, that is okay for me, sir. Unless and until uh, it gives me a lot of satisfaction, it is completely fine for me.
Okay. Okay.
I
So
can't choose
Manisha, we'll
between
have
both.
some.
If I have to be if I have to be very straightforward to this answer, I can say I can't choose between.
Okay, you can't choose between both.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay. So Manisha, we'll have some sales questions. First, we'll check how good are you in convincing people. Okay. So my first question to you is: suppose I am having five yellow t-shirts. in my home.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And I am fond of yellow color. I like it the most. Okay.
Ah.
And like I have 5, I am satisfied with that. So I am
Hmm.
coming to your shop to buy a blue t-shirt for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
But you have to sell me a yellow one.
Okay.
Despite having 5, I told you already that I have 5 in my home and I
Hmm.
have no interest in buying a yellow t-shirt.
Hmm.
But still you have to convince me to buy a yellow t-shirt. So what will be your approach?
Sir, shall we start a role play?
Yes, do a role play. So hi Manisha, can you show me a blue t-shirt for me?
Sir, what is the purpose? I mean, why are you looking for a t-shirt exactly? Can you please tell me
See,
that?
actually, I was looking for a yellow t-shirt, but
Hmm.
actually, I have 5 yellow t-shirts in my home already, and I
Hmm.
am now used to with all those t-shirts. So now I'm thinking to change a color because everyone is complimenting that why do you wear yellow every day, right? So I have that
Okay.
particular like thing. So I
Okay.
want to have a change of color now. I want to switch to blue or green. Show me anything apart from yellow, I'll take it. No issues.
Sir, your idea is good. Like you have a perfect idea. Like you want these color t-shirts, right? But
Okay.
according to me, it shouldn't be like since people are saying, so I want to buy any other color. It has to be about you, right? So you have to be always like, what suits for me? Like, which color do I like, and which suits for me a lot, rather than going for somebody's set. That is perfectly fine if you're saying, like we do have a lot of collection other than yellow, but I think according to me, when I've seen you in the whatever in the first look, I felt that yellow suits for you a lot. And since it's a bright color when you're wearing it out, it looks good. And also it's very calm and like chill also. Like it is very good
No,
for informal purposes. Like you said you live at home a lot. So
no, I understand your point. You are right, actually. But I'm looking for a change because unless I try any other color, I'll stick to yellow only, right? So you are right that I should be as per my mindset. But I'm looking for a change. I should try something else. If that doesn't
sir,
suits me or if it is not comfortable for me, then I'll definitely switch to yellow again. But I want to try once. I want to explore once.
Sir, actually, this is of a different brand, sir. I don't know whatever the brand you are wearing, but this is from a different brand. So I think this because of this brand also, I don't know what kind of yellow you have been wearing. There have been different shades of yellow. So what are the different shades you are using? I don't know. And we do have a festive offer also. I think that is where this comes for, along with other, like whatever you anyways you want, you have a clear cut idea, like you want to buy colors from apart from yellow, right? So you can buy it in festive offer, this yellow color ones, because it is from a very good brand. And then buy another one also, like whatever you want to buy,
I was
like
looking for
whichever
only
color you
one, actually. I was looking for only
want.
one.
Since it is having festive color, it suits you a lot. This is my personal opinion. This is all up to you. That I can say this yellow suits you a lot, and it is good for informal purposes also, sir.
Okay,
So
cool.
I
Okay,
think
okay. So Manisha, suppose you are a salesperson in a toy showroom, okay, and I am coming to buy a toy for my child, okay,
okay,
and you have shown me 3 different remote control cars, okay. One is of lower range, one is of middle range, and one is of higher range, okay.
okay,
I am convinced I want to buy the car which is of higher range, okay,
okay,
but you have to convince me to buy a car which is of middle range, that is not of lower range, not of higher range, okay. So I've made my mind to take the car of higher range, but now you have to switch my mind to buy a car of middle range. So how will you approach? So
sir.
suppose
Shall
things
we
are
start?
done. Suppose things are done. I have finalized. I just told you to pack this particular product.
Okay,
And now how will you stop me?
sir. Shall we start with the role play?
Yes, please.
Sir, I think you have seen that, right? Whatever our customer, I mean, our sales one had shown you. I mean, the
Yes, yes,
performance of
yes.
the three cars, right? So, what did you
Yes,
select?
yes, yes.
Which one did you
I
select?
selected the most expensive one because that has all the features which other two have, right? Also, that is
Okay.
big in size, and my child was demanding something which is big in size because he wants to show off to his friends also. and I'm comfortable. The price is not very high, so I can pay that, no issues.
Okay.
So
So,
I'll buy
sir,
for that.
what is his age?
Sorry,
What is his age, sir?
age.
Age.
Oh, his age is 8 years.
8 years. Okay. So, what is the purpose? I mean, he wants to play, or else he's gifting somebody or something like that.
No, no, he wants to play. It is for his like his personal stuff, nothing else.
So then why to go for a higher range? I mean, medium range is better now. Like anyway, he's 8 years old kid. Like he'll be playing for 2 or 3 months, and then anyways it will get, you know how the cars also work, like toy cars. You have been seeing a lot of models, right? So anyway, they'll get off after some time. So why to invest a lot of money? Take this medium range. Anyway, the three cars are having the same features, right?
Ma'am,
So
but I am going for a higher range car. So why do you make a law? Why do you want to make a loss of yours? You are convincing me to buy a car of lower range, but why to do so?
Sir, not like that. I mean, it is all up to you, like whatever you have to buy. But I can say, since you're saying it like it is only for some playing in the home, it is better, sir, to be casual. Why to go waste this much of money? And he's a kid right now. And why to invest? Like that is my main thing. And all are having same features now. I just want to be honest, that's it. Like it's not like yes, I'll be getting profit, but why am I convincing you to buy this car? Like
See, I'll
getting
tell you.
profit, I'm telling you something honestly means I think you need to give a second thought for it.
No, I understand, but see, he is very stiff to his choices, and he strictly told me that Papa, please bring me the car which is the most bigger one. Okay, so if I'll show him this one because he has seen all the three cars. So now, if I go for a lower range, then definitely he'll be very angry with me. He won't allow me to enter the house. Also, he's that
Sir,
kind
how
of
many
angry person.
days, sir, how many days he'll be angry on you just for two? I mean, minimum, that is minimum to minimum one day, I think so. Not more than that, right?
But why to
But
make him angry? If I can pay the amount, why to make him angry? That is the point, right?
uh, okay, that is, sir, I think it is a if you are investing it, I mean, if you're putting a lump sum amount, I mean, if you're buying this, you can't buy it again and again. If you're buying a medium range and if it gets spoiled, you can buy it again, right? If for
Okay.
the first time only you're putting out a lot of amount, and again if this gets spoiled, you will be coming and again you'll be getting for repairs or something. If this will not work out, and if you're buying two, no sir, on this amount, you can gift it for someone. So I think
Okay.
that is the better thing.
Okay, so you're basically suggesting me that I should buy two instead of buying one. I should buy two of a middle range, right? That is
That
basically
is
your
better.
suggestion.
Yes, sir,
Okay,
according to me.
okay, okay, cool. Okay, so Manisha, do you know sweatshirts or sweaters basically? Sweater comes sweatshirts,
Yes, sir.
right? So suppose if I'm coming to your shop, so you
Hmm.
have to sell me a sweatshirt, come
Hmm.
sweater
Hmm.
in hot summer in the month
Hmm.
of May or June when it is
Hmm.
hot summer. At that time, you have to sell me a sweater.
Hmm.
So how will you approach if I'm coming to your shop to buy something, let's say half shirts or anything,
Hmm. Hmm.
and you have to like convince me to buy a sweater at that time.
Okay.
So hi Manisha, can you show me some half shirts?
Uh, Sir, can you please have a look at sweaters? Like we are having offers, and since the coming season is going to be winters and all, I think it will be useful for all the purposes. So, like, why don't you check
Sweaters.
out? Yes, sir.
Manisha, it's in this summer. Do you want me to buy a sweater? Like
So
I
not
have
now.
multiple sweaters. I have
Sir, it's
multiple
a
sweaters in
brand
my
new
house.
collection. Sir, it's a brand. Trust me, it's a brand new collections, and there are a lot of colors, and those are from good brands also. Like we have got a new stock. So why don't you see it? I mean, when there is an offer running.
No,
Anyways,
I
in
can
6 months
understand the
we'll be
offer,
getting
but
winters, right? Then
yes,
the
I
temperature
understand, but
also be.
I have multiple stuff for winter. This winter I have made my mind not to invest anything to buy because I have ample stuffs this winter.
Okay.
So that's why I was not interested in buying something like sweater kind of thing.
Sir, but I think you need to check out, sir, because it's keeping apart from you have a lot of stuff. Because it's a
Okay.
brand new collection and from new brands, and there has been a lot of sales, sir. Since
Okay.
in this summer season also, there had been a lot of people who are preferring our, I mean, whatever the customized one. If we have got the stock from, from a very, I'm not able to speak, sir. Like I'm not getting.
No issues. No issues. No issues. No issues. You gave a good try. Okay. So now we'll have some academic questions. Okay.
Okay.
And like you have to answer as per your knowledge. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the actual color of sun?
It is white. I mean, because of
It is
this one.
because of the.
No, sir. I
Okay. Just tell me one thing. I have a simple question for you. Do you know photosynthesis?
yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if I'm keeping a plant in my room. Okay.
Hmm.
And I'm giving him everything what suns give him. Okay.
Hmm.
The same amount of heat, water, everything. Okay.
Hmm.
So will the process happen in my room of photosynthesis?
No, sir.
It won't happen.
It won't happen.
Why? See, suppose
Sir, if
I'm taking a bulb and the same amount of heat I'm giving from bulb as the sun gives. Okay. Then will the process work or not?
Sir, photosynthesis is nothing but preparation of food in plants, right? That is what is the simple thing about photosynthesis.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
for photosynthesis to happen, you have to give carbon dioxide, sunlight, water.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
anyways, but carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water. But at the same time, if you're keeping it in a room, like nighttime also, the plants need nighttime. The plants stop the photosynthesis process. That is what we all know, and it needs
Okay.
oxygen, right? And that
Okay.
oxygen will not be available in the room.
No, I'm making it available. Think of it. I'm making it available.
Okay.
Then,
But yeah, yeah. Hmm.
then will it work or not? I'm making it available in the room also. I'm giving it
Okay.
every single stuff what is required.
Hmm.
Same heat, same water, everything, oxygen, whatever is required, I'm giving him.
Hmm.
Now, what is the problem? Why it will not work? The answer is no. But why?
Yes, completely. Uh, I don't remember. I mean, I'm not able to answer it in a scientific manner, sir, but I know that, yes, it's no. I'm not able to give the reason.
Okay, no issues. We'll discuss in the feedback session about this.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, okay. And now, have you got now the second law of like Newton's second law?
No, sir.
Do you remember that? Because I asked you this question in the previous
Yes, sir.
interview. So I
Yes, sir.
think you might have got the answer till now if you have worked on it. Still no, still a no?
No, sir.
Third law or first law? Do you want to mention anything? Any law?
No, sir.
Okay, nothing. Okay. Okay, so Manisha, I'll have the same question again. Like if suppose you are a BDA of Byju's and you are coming to my house, okay,
Hmm.
to sell a product, and I am asking the same thing that if you don't know the answer of simple questions, right, the simple basic questions, then how can I trust a brand, a Byju's brand?
Sir, keeping a part of, keeping my knowledge apart, like I'm not, I mean, I have done my degree or else I have completed my, my education a long back. And that is
Okay,
not like I mean, there is nothing in testing my knowledge, but it's all
okay,
about, I'm all about selling. My purpose is, or my role is to sell the products to you.
okay,
My role is not for answering the questions, right? So,
okay.
just
But
keep
ma'am, see, I'll tell you one thing.
my
You are the face of the company.
mm,
Okay, you're the face of Byju's. Okay,
mm,
I don't know Byju's. I don't know Byju Ravindran. I know
mm,
only Manisha ma'am because you are here to sell a product, right?
mm,
So if you are selling something to me and you're not able
mm.
to answer, then definitely I would have a like discrepancy in my mind, right? That if you are not able to answer, then how can I trust your brand which you are promoting, right? That is the main problem.
Sir, I think you must be hearing a lot about the company. Keep my knowledge apart because I haven't answered to all these questions because I am only in a position to, I mean, I'm only fixed to do my job role. I'm not here to answer to all the scientific questions whoever they possess, like whatever they
Okay.
ask. Like I'm only
Okay.
here to sell the product. That is my main goal or my role.
Okay.
And if talking
Okay.
about the company, I can only tell you a single dialogue that if these many users are there, and the I mean, you must have heard like it also has a Mark Zuckerberg initiative, and it is also collaborating with Google and all. Why do these many people come into the company if this company is of no use? Or else why there will be, to keep it very simple, why there will be a lot of users for the company?
Okay.
You can just check the reviews and all. Like
Okay.
keep my knowledge apart. I mean, to complete, like to make it, to sum up, I'm only here to sell the product. So please
Okay.
ask any queries about the product, like what is the price or whatever. I can answer to all the questions, but I am not here to answer to the knowledge,
So
like
now,
whatever
if
the.
that is the case, then I can book the product online also, right? I have a facility to call Byju's.
Yeah,
I can buy
yeah,
from calling also. Then why do
yeah.
I need you? Why you are here at my house? Because I called you because I wanted to have an interaction with you. I wanted to know about the knowledge which you are giving, right? So if that is not the case, then why should I buy from you? I'll give a call to company. They'll give me the product. I'll pay them. Things are sorted. So why are you required then? Because my motive was to like interact with you, right?
Hmm.
So that you can explain things, right?
Hmm.
I asked some questions. I'm not satisfied with that, right?
Hmm.
So now I have changed my mindset. I don't want to
Hmm.
buy it at all now.
Hmm.
Because see, suppose, because I am telling you, if the first impression is not good, right, then how
Hmm.
can I trust the complete brand? Why do I need to pay 1 lakh rupees or 80,000 rupees, right? That is the
Yeah.
biggest problem. I have trust issues now. Previously, I was not having, but now I'm having trust issues with Byju's.
Sir, I'm only here to interact about the product, sir. Like, see, if you're asking me questions, I've studied physics somewhat around in my intermediate or something. So I haven't studied
Okay.
physics after that. And if you're asking me what is Newton law or else what is E is equal to mc square or thermodynamics and all, I can't answer to all the questions because I've forgotten all this. And apart from this, if you're I know that you also have a facility to call to them and book for the product. But I think if
Okay.
I'm interacting on and on, like that can be a better way to communicate. I mean, if you have any queries related to the product, you can confirm it with me now. You must have researched about the product. That is why you are like okay to buy the product. I mean, you at least have listened to me, right? And since you
Yes.
have a you must have heard a lot about the company. That is why you are listening to me. That is why you're
Right.
making me sit here. That is why you're making me to interact. So,
Right.
like everybody will be having trust issues, sir. Like whether it will work or not, whether it is like whether I'm investing a lot, whether my child will be able to learn these concepts or whether it will all go in vain. But think positively for a moment. I mean, be optimistic. We'll think for a moment that everything will go good and in our way. So if these many people are using it and we have these many users, why don't you buy the product? And if you are having any queries or if you are facing any issues, anyways our team is available.
Okay. Cool. So my next question to you is: suppose my child is in class fourth. So in Byju's, we only sell the for class fourth. We only have math, science, and English. Okay. We don't have social science for class fourth. Okay. But
Hmm.
he has social science in his curriculum, and he's very weak in social science. Okay.
Okay.
So why should I take Byju's if he's not getting the proper studies as per his curriculum? Then what is the
Hmm.
benefit of taking Byju's?
Shall we start with the role play, sir?
Yes, yes, please.
So, what are you? I mean, like, yeah, like we are having products of math, science, and English also.
Yes,
But
yes.
sorry to say, we are not having social science in the product that whatever we are selling now.
Okay. But he's weak in that, ma'am. So if I am taking Byju's, my motive was for social science only. I was taking Byju's, and you don't have social science only in Byju's. So what is the requirement? I'll have to pay here also. I'll pay to a teacher also. because I have to hire a new teacher, a private tutor to teach him social science, right? So I'll be paying two places, right? I'll be paying in Byju's also. I'll be paying in home tuition also. So what is the
Okay.
need for Byju's? I'll keep home tuition only. He'll teach everything. So what is the requirement of Byju's?
Sir, how is he doing in maths and science? I'm just curious. Like you're saying that he's performing well. I mean, how is he doing?
See,
Like,
in
is he
maths and
very much
science, he
interested in the
scores.
subjects?
See, I'll tell you, in maths and science, he scores like 80, 85, 90
Okay.
sometimes, right?
Hmm.
But in social science, he's scoring 40, 35. He is just crossing the boundary line. He is just
Okay.
passing anyhow. You can
Okay.
understand. He might be
Yeah.
getting 30 only, but teachers are giving him 5 marks extra so that he can pass, right?
Yeah.
That is the situation in social science. And that was the main motive of buying Byju's. So now why should I buy Byju's? I don't think there is anything required to buy Byju's.
Sir, I think that is not the way you think, sir. Like you have to be very much proud that he's doing best in like maths and science because 80,
Okay.
85 is a good score. And it is
Okay.
all conceptual oriented, like maths and science are very hard to get pursued. But social, he may be weak because he's not focusing much. Because he's focusing on other subjects, obviously he may not be focusing and he may not have that grip. But I want you to take this product because he apart from the textbooks, he'll be gaining knowledge from other things also. Since
Okay.
it's all conceptual learning and all, that is why I would recommend you to buy this product. And English
And
also,
what
that
about
is
social
very
science? What about social
communication.
science then?
So keep social science apart, but maths and science are very important subjects, sir. Like if you're taking
I,
that, I think
I
we have.
understand. See, I got your point. But do you want me to to make him feel that okay, you fail in social science, no problem. Do good in maths and science, fail in that subject, no issues. I don't have any problem if you are failing also. Is that what you are trying to say?
Sir, is it the first time that he got this kind of marks, or else he has been getting
No,
it
no.
from a very
Always he
long
has
time?
been getting. He has been getting this kind of marks. Maximum he has reached 37, 38, 40. That is the max which he has reached.
Okay. That means he's passing, right? I mean, he hasn't
He's
failed till now.
passing. No, he hasn't failed. He has just passed.
Okay. Is
So
that the
see,
only
in
subject he's
future,
weak in?
I'll tell you one more thing. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'll tell you one more thing. In future, he wants to prepare for UPSC only. And you might be knowing in UPSC, preparing for
Yeah.
UPSC, social science is a base. We should know
Yeah.
social science. So
Yes.
then if
That is
he's doing like this from now, do you think he'll be good in preparing for UPSC in coming days?
Sir, I can say like social science itself indicates social with some science, right? So,
Okay.
so he has to concentrate on science also.
Okay.
And since you're saying UPSC, I think there are you need to also study science also. That doesn't mean like if I'm studying social science, I need to I can like whatever skip all these subjects.
No,
He
no,
needs to be all-rounder.
I'm not saying to skip at all. I
Yeah,
know the importance of maths and science. I agree to your point. But I
yeah.
am just concerned about social science. What about that? If I am buying Byju's from you, okay, I am paying for maths and science and English, everything. I am okay. I'm satisfied. But
Okay.
what about the remaining subject, like social science and Hindi, all that? Where should I go for all of these? Do you want me to hire a private tutor for that?
Sir, to keep it, I mean, sir, I just want to ask you. The question is like we are not at all having the social science product, right? In the
Yes,
whatever the product
yes,
that you asked me to say.
yes, 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 yes.
But are we providing anything like offline tuitions for the social science and all? Is that available
Nothing,
in our?
nothing, 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 nothing.
We don't. We not at all take that social science into.
No, no, no. We don't, we don't, we don't.
We only take that maths and science, right? Only
Yes,
maths,
yes, yes,
science,
yes,
and English. So
yes,
I have
yes,
to
yes,
convince the customer to buy this product. That is what my
yes,
question is.
yes, yes, yes. He is
Okay.
completely denying. He is saying that if I am not getting this service, I won't be taking Byju's. That is not required for me to take Byju's.
Okay. Sir, you're telling that I mean, your son wants to prepare for UPSC, right? But
Right.
it's like he's just in fourth class and we can't decide his future now, right?
No,
We
he is
don't know
telling me. He
what's
is
going to
telling me
happen
I
with
want
him.
to prepare. He
He is
himself is telling me
interested.
that I want to prepare. Yes, he is interested.
Okay. Does he have any plan B? If not, the UPSC doesn't work. Like I want to become
No.
an engineer
As
or
of
else a
now,
doctor or something like that.
as of now, he don't have. As of now, he don't have. He might be
You're
having
very
in
good.
future, but as of now.
Sir, but you must be knowing, right? You're talking about UPSC at the age like for a fourth class kid. So you know what all the subjects are engaged. Then he has to also perform well, right? And in maths and science also.
Yes,
And
correct.
right now, and he has to go at this age. He has to go beyond his limits. Like he must be an eighth class student. Like he must be on par with an eighth class student. If he has to, if he, I mean, if he has to perform well. What I say is like he needs to have a lot of knowledge about what all the concepts are and all. That is also important for UPSC, not only social
Okay.
sciences. So
Okay.
if he's doing this tablet, I think he can gain a lot of knowledge. I mean, he can have knowledge from various concepts and all, and he can do well. That is what I can say.
Okay. Okay. My last question to you, Manisha, is that suppose if a parent is telling that I have a huge business, I am a
Mm.
proper Gujarati businessman, okay, and I want my child to do business in future.
Mm.
So why should I take Byju's? What is the requirement? He is scoring 70%, 65%, but that is okay for me. I don't want him to score 90%. That is not required at all.
Mm.
And you have to convince him to take Byju's. How will you convince him?
Okay. So shall we start with the role play, sir?
Yes, 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 yes. Please do.
So, sir, what is your son actually studying? I mean, can you say his age and all?
Huh, he's in sixth class right now. Age is
Okay,
14 years.
he's 14 years, right?
Yes, yes.
So, what does he want to do in his future? I mean, does he has any
See,
plans and all?
see, whatever plans he have, I want him to do business. I have a
Hmm.
vast business and I am the only person. Okay. So
Hmm.
after me, no one is there to take care of my business. So I
Hmm.
want my child to indulge in family business. So I don't like, I'm not even bothered what he's scoring. He's just passing. That is okay for me. I don't want him to like study more and study much. That is not required. We have all set business. He just have to grow and join us. That's all.
So you're saying that he has to join his business, your business, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Then
yes.
he has to have a lot of knowledge about what all is happening. He needs to have some max knowledge and all. At least max
That I'll
knowledge.
explain him.
I mean,
I'll
basic.
explain him everything. Sorry.
Sir, I think, does he listen to you, sir? I mean, is he okay? Like he listens to you and everything?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. But still, sir, I would recommend you to take this product because it is very much useful. I mean, at this age, maths is a very important subject for kids. And you're saying your kid is in sixth class, right? So he has to
Yes.
be well versed with all the concepts, like simple and basic concepts. At this time, we'll lay the foundation for him. So our Byju's product is a very good product, sir, and we have a lot of users. I think he needs to take it. Like you need to try with the product. It is very important. He may be going for
What to
business,
do with
but
the
what if that
what to do
doesn't
with the
work?
concepts, ma'am? See, I'll tell you, concepts will not at all help him, right? Whatever the business is, I'll explain him everything, right? He's passing, that is all for me. I don't want him to indulge in all these concepts. Why to confuse him more, right? Make his life
Sir,
simple, right? Why to complex his life with all
sir,
these stuffs?
to keep it very precise, sir, I can say like at this point of time, you're okay that you have a plan, but you also need to have a backup plan. Like at one point of time, something may happen to business. I mean, I'm not sounding it to be negative, or else your kid may be not interested to come into business. As at sixth class, we usually have the influence of our parents, or we have half knowledge and all. So at that point of time, we are not clear with our thoughts and all. After us, I mean, after a time, he can be like, "Oh, I don't want to take this up, and I want to. I'm very much interested in studies or something like that." If he realizes that at one point of time and he has nothing to do with it, then what will we do? So I think it is better to indulge in studies at this point of time, at least till 10th class. I not even 10th, I can say till intermediate. It is very important for a person to be, I mean, unless and until he's not doing worst, it is okay. Like they need to have the knowledge of everything. Like they need to be educated about the issues. That only comes if he's good with the textbooks, if he's reading well in the school, like what I said. So
Okay.
that is why I
Manisha,
would
got your point.
say.
Got your